In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a hold frame inside Procreate Dreams. Feel free to download this project file by checking out the instructions in the description box below. So over here, I have a bunch of frame-by-frame animation, and the first frame seems to be really long. This is my hold frame. I want this frame to stay on screen for longer than just one frame. If I play this, you can see it's pretty fast, but basically this frame stay for maybe the duration of 10 frames. To create a hold frame, you want to hold either side of the edge with one finger until you see the highlight, and then add a second finger on screen to signal that you want to add a hold frame. And then you just move your first finger around while the second finger is still on screen. As you can see, the following frames kind of get snapped onto the edge and they move along with it, which is really neat. So that's how you add a hold frame in Procreate Dreams. I will see you in the next video.